The flood situation has started improving, and the water in different area which was submerged during the recent flood has already started receding, but it has not receded yet in many areas, including Puri, including Bhadrak, including Baleswar, Jajpur, and few areas where the entire water has not yet been drained out. We have directed all the district administration to cause the survey of the losses of the houses, losses caused to the crop, including perennial crop like the vegetable. And the Revenue Department and Agriculture Department, they are jointly assessing the damages caused. Water is receding from place to place, and damage assessment is being caused once the water has started receding. So till now, we have provided 110 crore to 22 districts of Odisha as a provisional compensation amount. Final compensation amount will be paid to all the districts basing on their final report. I am holding a meeting of the different head of the department of Odisha government, including the district administration, the block development officers, and the tahsildars of the affected area tomorrow at 5 p.m. to ensure that the final assessment report reaches us before 5 p.m. tomorrow. Having said that, out of 110 crore rupees provided to different districts, the major affected districts like the Baleswar, Jajpur, and Bhadrak, they have been provided with funds of 22 crore and above. But the exact assessment, we suppose that it will be more than 110 crore. But whatsoever be the quantum of the damages, we are prepared and in a position to provide compensation to every household that was damaged, every paddy field where the crop was damaged. And hopefully by tomorrow evening, we will be in a position to make a final statement about the losses caused to Odisha during the recent flood.